Okay, we will try to solve parallel ceiling, plain ceiling, and Mercator ceiling. Okay, from Bohol Sea to Santa Catarina, we will solve it by using parallel ceiling. From Santa Catalina to Puerto Princesa, we will solve it by using plain ceiling. From Puerto Princesa to Tawi-Tawi, we will solve it by using Mercator ceiling. Okay, so these are the known coordinates from Bohol Sea to Tawi-Tawi. Okay, next slide. Parallel ceiling. In parallel ceiling, we will solve only the distance. Why? Because the reason is we have only one latitude. Take notice, it 57.5, it 57.5. That's why it is called parallel, same latitude. Okay, so we have to longitude 124 and 123. So is now same name. So minus and minus from the bigger number. So 124 minus 122. Okay. Now, this is the formula for plane parallel ceiling. So departure is equal to difference of longitude times cosine latitude. Okay. Now, in parallel ceiling, we will not solve the course because there are only two choices, westerly and easterly. 270 or 90. Okay, there are only two choices, westerly or easterly. Okay, now please take note that same name minus different name plus. Okay, so if you notice longitude 1 and longitude have same name, so minus. Okay, so 124, 24.4 minus 122, 10.3, same name minus. So the answer is to 14.6, but we will use our Mahiwagang calculator. Our Mahiwagang calculator says 124 degrees 24.4 minutes minus from the smaller number, of course, 122 degrees 10.3 10.3 minutes equals to 14.6, so same number. Since we are going to solve distance only, so automatic times 60. So times 60 is equal to 134.6 and times 60 also in our Mahiwagang calculator. So times 60 and equals 134.6. So same answer. Okay. Enter the formula. We have obtained our d long. So to obtain the departure equals d long equal times cosine latitude. Okay, d long is 134.6. D long is 134.6 times 857.5. That is cosine latitude. And the answer is 132.9. But we have to check our Mahiwagang calculator. Okay, 134.6 times cosine latitude. Cut our latitude is 8 degrees 57.5 minutes close parenthesis equals boom 132.27. So 27, 28, 28 divided by 6, that is 0.9. All right. Okay, so we have now obtained our distance. Of course, our course is westerly. Why westerly? Because from big to small. So this is 0 to 124. So 124 is somewhere here, and 122 is somewhere here. So from big to small, so going west or westerly. So 270. Okay. Now we have to look for a recibo. So recibo says our course is 270 Chamba. Our distance is 132.5. 132.5, so 0.9. The answer is, and the error is negligible, zero point 0.4 lang. Okay? So 134, Chamba, and distance 132.9. Okay. Now, we go to next problem. The next problem is by solving via plane ceiling. Plane ceiling. Now the formula says tangent course. Now, if you notice, we need again the departure. We need also the DLAT. So we have to obtain the difference of latitude and the difference of longitude. Now, take note, we have to solve the course. Okay, we have the course. So this is the course. Okay, so to obtain the difference of course the same name, right? So please take note again that same name minus different name plus. So same name minus. Now, which is bigger? Of course, this is the bigger number. 945.5 minus 857. So what is the answer? 47.7. Of course, we need to, because we are to find the distance, we have to multiply it by 60. Since it is already minutes, so that is already in distance. So 40, they bring down the 47.7. Okay, double check sa atong may wagang calculator. So the bigger number is 945.5, 9 degrees 45.5 minutes, same number, so minus, same number, same direction, north, north. So minus 8 degrees, 8 degrees, 57.8, 57.8. Do not forget the minutes because mag-error. And then equals, and boom, 47, 42. Why 42, sir? Because 6 times 7 is 42. So 47.7. Okay. Now, we will obtain the D long. So which is bigger? Of course, the bigger number is 122. Now, take note the same number. So minus. Okay. Minus. So 122. 122 degrees. 10.3. 10.3. Do not forget the minutes. And minus, because same direction east, so 118, 58.7. 118 minus 118 degrees, 58.7, 58.7 minutes. Now, the direction says the direction says westerly. Why? Because from big to small, so going west. From big to small, going west. Okay, it's longitude. So from big to small, from big to small, west. Okay, so westerly. Okay, so 311. So times 60 also, because we have to find the distance. Okay, so times 60, so 6 times 60 times 3 is 180 plus 11.6 is equal to 191. So multiply, so also sa may wagang calculator, times 60 equals, boom, 19136, 19136. Why 36? Because 6 times, 0.6 times 60 is 36. Okay. Now, enter the formula. We have obtained the departure. This is the departure. So, departure is 191.6 over DLAT. We have obtained the DLAT 47.7. Okay. Now, 191.6 minus 47, no, divide by 47.7. Okay, now equals, and then is the 4. Okay, we have an answer of 4, whole number 4. Okay, disregard this one, disregard na. Now, since this is tangent course, so inverse tangent answer, close parenthesis, and close parenthesis, and boom, 76.0. So answer is 76. Now, why northwest? Northwest because our latitude is north. Our latitude is north and our longitude is west. So northwest. Now, according to our quadrantal azimuth, is equal to 360 minus azimuth. So 360 minus azimuth. So it is said that to get the course, you have to minus it by 360, okay, minus azimuth. What is the azimuth? 76. So minus 76 and equals to 284. 284 are you? And boom, go tayo po, nakatsamba tayo. The course is 284. Okay, now we have obtained our course for plane ceiling. Now we will obtain our distance. Enter the formula. The distance equals d lat cosine cos. We have obtained the cosine cos, that is 76 or 284. Now, d lat is 47.7, right? 47.7. Okay, that is the d lat, 47.7 over over 76 over cosine course. So, cosine course is 284 or 76. More than 180, gamit ka og 76. Ngari ka sa kwan para dili magka-error. Okay, so may the cosine over cosine 76. Because it is a course, so it should be in degrees. And then close parenthesis. And then equals, boom, 197 and 197. There you go. That is our distance. 197. Now, sir, tama ba yung ginagawa mo? I hope. Now, we will look for a resibo. We will look for a resibo. So, ang resibo is this one. It is said that our true course is by Mercator ceiling. No, by plain ceiling. 284 and 196. 284 and 196. Oh, 284, 196. 284, 196. Okay? 284, 196. So, ikaw, malapit lang. Okay, so nakatsamba tayo, people. Next. Now, we will answer it by using Mercator ceiling. Now, in Mercator ceiling, if you notice, there is that word DMP. What is DMP? The difference of meridional parts. D-lat, of course, we know what is D-lat. Distance, and D-long, of course, we know what is D-long. Difference of longitude. Now, as where to get the DMP? To get the DMP, we have meridional parts. So, meridional parts, MP. So, asa man na ang MP? Yeah, if you notice, our latitude is 945. This is the known number. Dito natin kunin ang ating MP. So, we will go to table number 6 of Norris table. We will go to table 6 of Norris table. Now, if you notice, our unknown number is 945.5. Now, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 degrees. So, 9 degrees. And then, 45.5, 46, 45, di ba? 45. So, 0.5, carry na lang na siya. So, 46. So, 585. Remember, 585. Ang 945, ang niyang meridional parts is 585. So, double check. 585. There you go. So, our meridional parts is 585. 4, 9, 45, 5 north. Okay? Now, how about 547.7? So, we will go back to our meridional parts again. 547. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 degrees. And then 4, 7. Carry on 4, 5. So 5 na siya. Sama to 5. So 303.4. Okay, 303.4. So check ang meridional parts. 303.4. So which is bigger number? 585 and 303. This one is the bigger number. Why minus? Because north. So what is the dili na gikuha, so minus, so sa north sa siya. Okay, so north same name, minus. Okay, now we will go to difference of latitude first. So 945.5 is equal to 4 degrees 40.8 south. Why south? Because going from big to small going south. To gikan sa dako ngadto sa gamay going south or southing. Okay. Double check sa ating mahiwagang calculator. 9 degrees 45 45.5 minutes up point 5 minutes minus because same name minus 5 degrees 04.7 minutes equals 440. O 440 igo people nakatsamba tayo southing because going down southing. Now multiplied by 60, so 60 times 4 120 plus 40.4 is equal to 280.8. So mahiwagang calculator times 60 also times 60 is equal to 280.48. So why 48? Because 6 times 8, 48. Okay, there you go. Samba na naman. Now, our D long. So which is bigger? 119. So minus 118 also. Okay. Now, is it minus? Yes, because same name. Same name minus different name plus. Okay, so what is the answer is 0.33. Why 0? Because 119 degrees 119 minus 34 na ano, not minus, 34.9 minutes minus because same direction. Same direction. So is same. So minus why this one? Okay. Maka syntax error tayo nito people. I'll recheck. Okay. Okay na. And then minus 118 degrees 58.7 minutes equals 3612. So igo tayo people. Why 12? Because 6 times 2 12. Okay. 60 times 2.60 12. Okay. Same answer. Now, because we are to find the distance, so multiplied by 60. So, because it is already minutes, so bring down na lang minutes. So, 36.0. Now, bring down the formula. The formula says, D long or DMP. The DMP anyway is 585. 585 minus 303. 585 minus 303.4 equals 281.6. Okay, parehas ang answer. And then, since we have obtained the D long, D long is 36.2. So, 36.2 over, okay, 36.2 over 281.6 DMP, 281.6. Din man na sir, DMP. No, DMP, there one, this one. So 281.6 uh, equals 012 na the same answer. Now, because it is tangent course, so inverse tangent answer close parenthesis equals boom 7.3. Now why southeast? 7.3 we will take only 2 digits. Why southeast? Because our latitude is south, our longitude is east. That's why it is southeast. Now, according to our quadrantal azimuth, southeast is 180 minus azimuth. So 180, okay, i-set na muna tayo. 180. So what is our azimuth? 7.3. So minus, according to our quadrantal azimuth, minus azimuth 7.3, 7.3, and boom, is the 172.7, 172.7. Okay, samba na naman. Now, we will try to obtain the answer of distance. So, the distance is d lat over cosine course. So, we have obtained our d lat. D lat is 280.8 and then the cosine course is 172.7. There you go. Now, we will apply it in our calculator. So, 280.8 and then 280 divide by cosine course. So cosine 172, 172.7. Because it is a course, it should be in degrees. And then close parenthesis. So, okay na? And then equals, boom, 283. Disregard the minus, 283. How about sa atong problem? And boom, 283.1, 283.1. Gamay ra ang, kuan, so 0.5 ni siya. But 283.5 sa kuha. Okay, now, since this is distance, this is now the answer. Okay, sir, tama ba yung ginagawa mo? I hope. Now, we will try to look for another resibo. So, resibo. Ang true course is 172.7, 283.1. So, our answer is 283.1 igo, 172.7 igo. Okay, so that's it, people. Thank you.